Okay, well,
we're on Highway 50 East, headed towards Kansas.
and this is...
And then we're still in Colorado.
The snow drifts on the side of the road, and
This is the snow.
as you can see, they're about as deep as the truck.
Look at the fence right there.
Well, there's your house to take a gander as to how deep the snow is. I don't think they're going anywhere for a while. So, we're moving about 5 miles an hour, going nowhere, fast.
We've went about 5 miles in the past 6 hours. This would be the snow.
Yeah.
We got a lot of it. So we'll eventually get there.
Abby, you want to say good morning? Say, I'm about ready to throw my car seat in the snow so nobody can find it. I don't have to be in here no more. Huh? That's what you think. Well, the sun is in your eyes, huh, poor baby? My mama fix it. Well, mommy can fix it. We have to go the other way to fix it. We don't want to do that. Yeah, we don't want to do that. Are you waving hi anyway? She's got a little bit of an orange face there. She's her new favorite snack, Cheetos. There's DJ. Good morning, honey.
It's morning. Don't know how you call it a good one, but it's morning.
Okay, well, we'll update you in about... We'll just update you. It don't matter when.